answering your questions about retirement. It's Money Talk with Michael Eastham.
I have $400,000 in my IRA, and I'm thinking about buying another rental property or doing some private lending. Any thoughts about these? I'm 67 and plan to retire later this year, and I won't need income for a few years.
All right, real estate and money lending. Both are good topics to discuss, especially when you're thinking about additional income for retirement. And the fact that you're looking for another rental property implies that you already have at least one rental property. So obviously, real estate is something that you're comfortable with, and you certainly understand how it works. But one thing I would ask you is, are you looking to try to simplify your life in retirement or make it more complex? Either way is fine. You just have to understand that that is a question you need to ask. Some people want to have something to do, something to keep them busy in retirement. And if that's you, then maybe buying additional rental properties could be a good thing to keep you active and out there dealing with broken toilets and tenants that won't pay their rent, having to figure out all those solutions, you know. I'm sure that that is something that you've lived with if you've had a rental property for any period of time. But for a lot of folks, trying to simplify their life is an easy way, is really what their goal is. When they step into retirement, they want to do other things like travel and enjoy life. And trying to manage a rental property or multiple rental properties is just not something that's appealing. Every situation is going to be a little bit different. So it's important for us as a fiduciary, it's important for us to understand what your goals are, what your income needs and your income wants are, and what are the sources of to support those income needs and wants. Lending money in one sense, yeah, it sounds fairly enticing and you can get a higher rate of interest, but then you have to deal with being a collection agency at times. And what happens in those situations. So make sure you're asking all the questions that you need to in order to make an informed decision. And if you need some help thinking it through, we've got a lot of experience in those things and would be happy to help you out. Thanks again for that great question.
If you've got a financial question you'd like to have answered, click on the link below to submit your question. You may hear your answer on an upcoming edition of Money Talk.